Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing both devices for setup. Install two AAA1 5V batteries into the universal remote. Replace old batteries if performance seems weak. Turn on the Toshiba Fire TV and confirm the screen is active. Verify the TV is on the correct HDMI input for the Fire TV stick or built-in Fire OS. Check whether your universal remote supports IR codes or Bluetooth pairing. This determines the setup path you will follow next. Navigate to Settings on your Toshiba Fire TV using the built-in Fire remote. Select Controllers and Bluetooth devices from the settings list. Choose Other Bluetooth devices, and then add Bluetooth device to begin scanning. Put the universal remote into Bluetooth pairing mode per the manufacturer instructions. Look for the remote name to appear on the Fire TV scan results. Highlight the remote name and press Select to pair and confirm successful connection on screen. If your universal remote uses IR codes, place it in programming mode now. Follow the remote manual to enter the Toshiba TV code from the code list. After entering the code, test power, volume, and input functions on the Toshiba Fire TV. If a function fails, try the next Toshiba code or use auto search programming. When power and volume respond correctly, enable HDMI CEC on both the Fire TV and the Toshiba TV settings. This allows single remote control across.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.